Class 5, entitled Math Magic 5, Chapter 8, Mapping Your Way.
Part 2.
Page 119. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Here are some pictures drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. Try making the same pictures on a 2 centimeter grid and also on a half centimeter grid. One picture is already done. Next to this, we see in the right corner a picture of a car, a diya and a leaf drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. Next to it, on a half centimeter grid, the same picture has been drawn already for you. Below that, we see a 2 centimeter grid on which diya has already been drawn. Now you are supposed to draw the vehicle and the leaf in both these grids. The side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Does its area also become 2 times bigger?
Enlarging or reducing of pictures and maps can be done on the classroom floor, the mud ground, etc. This should be related to the use of scale in maps, which keeps the shape the same.
Page 120. Now try this. This is a part of the parade route map 3. To the right side of the question, we can see a part of the map 3 on a 1 centimeter grid. Below that, there is a 2 centimeter grid which is blank. Question 1. Can you observe and tell which part of the route map it is? Two. Now try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeters grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. 3. If the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeters, what would be its scale? One centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. Half centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. 2 centimeters on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. Dancers from different states. The children saw many floats, that is, jhankis, and dancers in the parade. A girl is telling, dancers from Karnataka were the best. A boy is telling us, I liked the Tripura dance. From Tripura and Sikkim they have to travel far. But Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi. And he is remembering the Tripura dances. Another girl is observing and telling us all these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. Page 121. Observe the map of India given here and find the states these children are talking about. Below this is Map 5, the map of India. All the 4 directions are marked. The country with all its states and their capital cities is marked, and we also see the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, etc. as the water bodies surrounding the great nation. 1. The Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Which states does it cross to reach Delhi? For the teacher. As the children are being introduced to directions for the first time, many activities need to be done to use terms like towards north, southwards, in the east direction, to the west of Madhya Pradesh, etc. One can draw maps on the floor and get children themselves to stand on the map and say things like, Venkat is to the south of Shanti, Maharashtra is to the east of Gujarat, etc. Page 122. 2. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi, so the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Which states does it cross? Three. Nonu lives in Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal. Nonu wants to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? A. Towards west, B. Towards east, C. Towards south, or D. Towards north. 4. Is there any state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir? 5. Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? 6. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometers on the ground, use this scale to find out A. About how far is Delhi from Jaipur? Option A, 50 kilometers. Option B, 500 kilometers. Or option C, 250 kilometers. B. Estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. On the map is equal to dash centimeters. On the ground is equal to dash kilometers. 7. Look at the map and tell. A. Which state is surrounded by 4 other states? B. Which state has the largest area? If its name is not in the map, find it from your teacher or parents. Explain how you got your answer. C. Which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh. D. About how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? Page 123. The sea. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. Just below the text, there is a picture of Bala standing on the sea coast looking towards the sea. Have you seen the sea? In the picture, where is the sea? Now look for the sea in the map of India. What color is used to show the sea? Mark those states which have the sea on one side. Name one state which does not have the sea on any side. Find out. Look for different maps. Compare the different scales used in a local area map. A map of India and a world map, etc. Lines between the states. Sabu is confused about the lines shown between the states. He's asking a girl, I travelled from Delhi to Haryana, but I never saw any lines on the ground. how do we see them on the map? The girl replies, no, there are no lines painted on the ground. The map shows us where one state ends and the next begins. To which Sabu replies, oh yes, we paid the toll tax at the border. I saw a big board saying, welcome to Haryana. Page 124. Distances between towns. On the right side, observe Map 6. The scale of the map is 1 centimeter on the paper is equal to 10 kilometers. We have many places connected through different lines and curves. The places are marked in yellow dots. These are 5 towns. Find out 1. How many centimeters away is Idlipur from Barfinagar on the map? 2. How many kilometers will you have to travel if you go from Idlipur to Barfinagar? 3. There is a place called Thukpagram, midway between Idlipur and Barfinagar. Mark it with a T. 4. A town called Jalebipur is 35 kilometers away from both Chola Ghat and Dhoklabad. Where do you think it can be? Mark J for it. 5. Measure the length of the route between Bhelpur and Chola Ghat. You can use a thread. Ashi's School. Ashi's school looks like this from the top. We have a picture titled Map 7 which shows Ashi's school as seen from the top. The scale of the map is 2 centimeters is equal to 5 meters. We see the important places in school like office, main gate, hall, playground, assembly ground, garden, etc. And of course the classrooms. Use the squares to find out page 125. 1. How many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office? 2. How much is the length and width of each classroom? A. Length 5 meters and width 4 meters. B. Length 2 meters, width 1 meter. C. Length 12 meters, width 10 meter. D. Length 5 meter, width 5 meter. Three. All the classrooms in Ashi's school look like this. Below this is given map 8, which represent a classroom in Ashi's school. We can see blackboard, display board opposite it, the windows and the doors clearly marked, the almirah in one corner, notice board on the opposite wall, and of course all the benches neatly placed. Along with teacher's bench. Observe carefully and answer. A. Which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Almirah, windows, notice board, display board. B. Now observe the school map again. Guess and mark where would these be? Blackboard in 3rd A and 7th. Almirah in 5th and 10th. Notice board in 5th and 6th B. Last seat of middle row in 2nd. Display board in 1st. C. Can a child sitting in 3rd A see the playground?